Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make garlic chili chicken from scratch without base gravy. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe and like. Thanks. To make garlic chili chicken from scratch, you will need 3 tablespoons of oil, 5 cloves of garlic cut into thin slices, half a finely sliced or diced large onion, 1 teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 2 green or 1 black cardamom pod, 4 finely sliced green chillies, half a teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of mixed powder or curry powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of tomato puree mixed with 2 tablespoons of water, 6 to 8 pieces of meat, paneer, veg or tofu, 1 teaspoon of Patak's garlic pickle or half a teaspoon of hot chili garlic sauce, 250 millilitres of boiling water, half a teaspoon of fenugreek powder, 1/4 of a tomato sliced, 40 grams of coconut block, optional but makes a huge difference in the taste experience. The following are purely for decoration: some freshly sliced coriander, a whole green chilli and butter ghee. Heat the oil on medium heat and add the onions and garlic, stirring gently for a few minutes so they start to soften. Add the salt, cardamom and garlic and ginger paste and stir through. Then add the sliced chilies and allow to infuse for a few more minutes until the onions begin to brown. Add the chili mix, turmeric, coriander and cumin powders, as well as the sugar and tomato puree, and stir through. Fry for a minute, adding a little water if required. Add in the optional garlic pickle or chili sauce. Stir well, then add the meat and coat in the oils and spices. Carry on frying for a minute to infuse the flavours. Add half of the boiling water, stir through and allow to reduce for a minute or two. Add the rest of the water, the fenugreek and the tomato slice and mix in well. Finally, add the coconut, allow to dissolve and stir through. Remove the cardamom pods and allow to reduce for 5 minutes until any meat used is cooked through and the sauce is the consistency you require. Serve decorated with a drizzle of ghee, a sprinkle of coriander and some fresh chilli. Please Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and check out this and loads more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.